Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have something a little bit different than the usual case unboxings. I have a Mattel Creations box to unbox. And if you know, well, I guess you already know, judging by the title of this video, that this is the RLC Ferrari. RLC Ferrari set. So the heritage set. We're going to unbox this and kind of show you what's inside here. So inside the Mattel Creations box, these have been the shipping boxes. This one came over from the Hot Wheels Mattel Creations team at Mattel, as well as the design team. So thank you, Mattel, for sending this over. This is where your standard shipping label would be applied here. And then here is the set on the inside. So wrapped in tissue paper, you can see the Ferrari logo through the tissue paper and some legal. But let's tear open this paper here and get a closer look at this set. So, I mean, obviously the big news, Ferrari came back after 10-year hiatus, back to Hot Wheels. We get Ferrari, and we get, you know, across the main line, we get it across the RLC, we get it across premium. We're going to see it in car culture now, team transport, lines that just didn't even exist the last time Ferrari was around and being produced by Hot Wheels. So we're just gonna get these tabs here. Bear with me, and I'm gonna get this set out of the box here. So obviously the set has gone on sale already on Mattel Creations. It's sold out within a matter of 6 or 7 minutes. Not sure how many units there were, but it is a set that is definitely worth the price of admission here. What was it, $100? And it went on sale in early April here in 2025. And we got more tissue paper. All right, so we got the outer box. We got the inner box. We have more tissue paper. Rip that open. So, and these are back ordered. I think they'll begin shipping in a couple weeks here. But it was nice of Mattel to send me this early rendition. Oh, geez, look at that. Here we go. Okay. Kind of hits you. I had seen another unboxing of this already, but it kind of hits you differently when it's in person. So I know this. Yep, there we go. So close-up look there of the set. If you were looking, it also came with the certificate of authenticity and some little mumbo jumbo there. You got the you got some really nice pictures here of the opening features on both of the vehicles. So what do we look at first? Oh, I don't know. I'm still like, so I think like looking at these sets online and on the sales page is one thing, but getting this in person is just another beast. I don't think the video can do this enough justice, and I'm going to get some shots. You should be looking at it on the turntable right now, but yeah. Okay, so let's go. It's kind of an old school then and now set. Let's go old school first. Obviously, we have the Ferrari 312P here. You got some neoclassic deep dish reel riders, so those make an appearance again. And yeah, let's flip this. Can we get the top flipped? There we go. So we got the top that'll flip open, and the engine details off the charts here. Yeah, this is it's like a new spectraflame too. It's spectraflame red over like a chrome, or red over silver, I think it was. Yeah, and this is actually an older casting that was done by Hot Wheels. I think it was, oh yeah, it was the first ever. Here, let's just read it. An authentic creation of the first ever Hot Wheels Ferrari, released in 1969, bursting with silver plate red spectraflame paint and neoclassic redline wheels. So yeah, this is just, yeah, which is great. You kind of like, you prepare for the videos, you prepare to talk about these kind of vehicles, but nothing kind of takes you out of just seeing it for the first time. And obviously this is done in essence of the redline vehicle. This was redesigned. You'll see, I'm going to try and snag a new or an old one at the convention, at the Nationals convention coming up this week, and see if I can find one of those to compare in a future segment. But for now, we get the Ferrari 312P. And on the other side of the set, we get the Ferrari 499P Modificata. So, and this one says, the highest performance closed wheel car derived from the 499P that triumphed at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, while also supporting silver plate red spectraflame paint and 10-spoke rail rider wheels. So we get the new school Ferrari here, Ferrari race car, and it's just like another level of detail here. So, and it's kind of funny because the set is actually designed by two different designers, and it makes total sense when you hear it. Hot Wheels designer Brendan Vituski, who does Redline Club, and a lot of the classic castings, designed the 312P, and Hot Wheels designer Ron Wong, our exotic car expert, aficionado. He's designed the Pagani, the McLaren, some of the other ones. He took on the 499P, and I think this one is also coming out in premium, a very non-opening version, obviously made for a different country tooling. And we're gonna flip open the back here, or remove the back. Oh, okay, the wing. That's right, the wing does not move. I almost made the unfortunate. Oh, and there goes the piece on the ground. Put it on the blooper reel. But there is your engine. Looks awesome. Try not to drop this piece when you get yours. It is very actually slick, so hopefully we didn't get any scuff marks in there. So, but we're gonna put that piece back on, never to pretty much be removed again, because it is slick. So, but this is just exciting. I know collectors have clamored for the return of Ferrari to Hot Wheels, and it's finally here, really. I mean, it's been speculated for a number of years, ever since the Ferrari started gaining value in the secondary market. We have just a beautiful set that is done at the highest level of Hot Wheels right now. The mainline cars are starting to roll out. I think it is the J, K, and L case. You'll see 3 new Ferrari mainlines. If you haven't read the article on orangestrikediecast.com, make sure you go ahead and do that. But this is a great set. Obviously, those that got it are going to be happy that they got it. With the price, it was a little heavy, but I'm telling you, it's worth it. So, and then these cars, just in case you're wondering, they are screwed to the top, or screwed to the base here, so you can unscrew those to get those off. So, all right, well, thank you for watching. I appreciate you checking this out, and yeah, let's talk in the comments. Let me know what you think about this set. Did you pass it up because of the price? Are you just stoked that Ferrari's back? What do you think? Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.